Hello guys and welcome to my 2018 bullet journal setup. So here are my current supplies. I don't have too many as they can be quite expensive actually, but I'm just gonna have some dual brush water-based pens, any fine liners really. Now, so my journal is this pastel pink, really cute bullet journal, and I just really like it. It is quite small though, even though it doesn't look too small, but it is quite small. So I will probably have to have maybe 2 more this year, but I'm just gonna love the entire thing because it's so cute. So I'm showing you all the angles just to get a better idea, you know. So my bullet journal comes with a contents page. I'm not going to be using it, but I'm not going to glue them together yet because you never know. So here are my 2018 spreads. So my first 2018 spread, which is the kind of opening title page of the entire bullet journal, is so cute. I got a lot of inspiration from Hello October XO, who will be linked below and linked below. I love her channel too. The stars and everything else and the balloons and all that really show what I want my kind of 2018 to manifest. Reach for the stars, get what you want, do what you want, and make your dreams happen. So yeah, I just really like the balloon theme, and this took me like 2 hours to draw, and I used my yellow dual brush pen. So here are my other 2018 spread kind of thing. It's just kind of my year at a glance basically. I didn't want to do a typical one, so I kind of just looked at Amanda Rachel Lee and she did this, so I decided to do this too. It's just really cute and it has a drop shadow, which I love. So basically, as the months go on, I'll just be writing inside what I need to do in that month, any goals for that month, anything like that. Just general life goals. And that's from obviously January to December. So next are my 2018 goals. I have actually started a blog. It's called Cupcake Geek XO at blogspot.com. Probably will be the link below too. So I've just kind of got productivity, academic, all that jazz, and personal. So this is my 2018 vision board. I'm just going to paste loads of pictures on here of what I want my life to manifest this 2018. And yeah, basically. So here's the pictures I'm going to be sticking down. Obviously I'll have some more as well, but yeah. Just small little pictures. And it just makes it look really nice too. So this is my 2017 to 2018 spread. So basically just stuff to leave in that year and stuff to bring into 2018. So this is my I want to watch spread. I've got just movies and TV shows that I want to watch this year and if they look really cute. Inspired by Amanda Rachel Lee. So next I have my 2018 growth tracker, YouTube growth tracker, and my 2018 videos to film. So I kind of just added the, I attempted some calligraphy there. Then at the bottom I have my annual growth total. So let's see. I do have a page here that I might do a Pinterest like tracker on, but because growth tracker, because I'm really enjoying Pinterest recently. I have 7 followers over there, so go check me out. So this is my February title page. So I kept it really clean and classy. Just Feb in calligraphy with just February 2018 underneath it. This is my monthly log, I guess. It's basically just something I'm just going to use on the daily just to track, you know, what I need to track. This is my February YouTube growth tracker and February videos to make tracker, as I don't want to put all my videos and growth on my kind of 2018 one. I just used my dark pink dual brush pen for this one. Next I have my mood tracker, so I'm gonna be enjoying that. Next is just my weekly spreads, and I've added a little drop shadow of pink to them. So yeah, this is kind of just what I'm going to be rolling with this February 2018, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Let me know how yours is going in the comments if you're doing it too, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, then please like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to, share it with your friends. See ya!